5,000 sailors consume 14,000 meals daily. The USS Ford is not only the world's largest warship, but also a ceaseless maritime metropolis. At this very moment, shipboard cooks labor around the clock to prepare enough food to feed an entire town. During an 8-month deployment, they served over 3 million meals, including 131,000 hamburgers, 367,000 pounds of chicken, and 79,000 chocolate chip cookies. Remarkably, they accomplished this with fewer personnel than older carriers. This is no traditional naval galley. The Ford represents a revolutionary leap in military logistics. Where older Nimitz-class carriers required 5 separate kitchens and hundreds of cooks, the Ford achieves the impossible with just 2 modernized galleys. Picture this: touchscreen-controlled ovens cook meat with a single touch. 80 massive pots and stoves feed the entire crew. Large mixers process 60 pounds of dough at once. Its core innovation lies in the integrated kitchen system. Unlike the 5 dispersed kitchens of older carriers, the Ford features just 2 central kitchens. The main kitchen serves the crew from 3 directions, while the other activates when the air wing boards. This represents not only efficiency, but also equality. For the first time in U.S. Navy history, officers, petty officers, and enlisted sailors share identical meals. The technological equipment in these kitchens would impress any 5-star restaurant. Digital screens on smart ovens display full menus, allowing precise cooking of chicken with a light touch. Preparing beef for 500 people requires just one button press. These self-cleaning steam ovens handle multiple cooking methods simultaneously, roasting meat, steaming vegetables, and baking fresh bread all at once. It's as if the chef's expertise into each appliance, yet technology relies on human operation. Cooks work round-the-clock shifts without respite in this 24/7 floating airfield where no day off exists. During breakfast service from 6 to 9 a.m. daily, queues snake like serpents down steep gangways. Fresh eggs, bacon, pancakes, and vanishingly fast donuts fuel thousands of sailors. Lunches range from classic American to global flavors, with Taco Tuesdays becoming a vital morale tradition. Dinner service demands military-grade precision. When the flight deck is active, the kitchen team ensures every crew member receives piping hot, nutritious meals. Nighttime brings meticulously prepared midnight snacks for those on duty. Every 7 to 10 days, the supply ship delivers 400,000 to 1 million pounds of ingredients, equivalent to rebuilding an entire supermarket's inventory at sea. The 21-day rotating menu, designed by nutrition experts, strictly adheres to dietary standards: 2,850 calories daily for men and 2,100 for women. All meals accommodate allergens, religious dietary restrictions, and personal preferences. The ship's storage system is an engineering marvel. Large refrigerated holds keep meat fresh for weeks, while dry goods storage capacity can withstand resupply delays. Feeding 5,000 people leaves no room for error. Behind this system are the ordinary yet extraordinary American service members. Chief Cook Trevor McKnight masters smart oven operations and trains new recruits. Young sailors fresh from culinary school suddenly shoulder the responsibility of feeding thousands. They learn recipe conversions, time management, and naval traditions, gaining a deeper understanding that feeding their comrades is not just a job, but a sacred trust. These cooks also undergo emergency training, ensuring meals continue, even when combat alerts sound. The kitchen crew understands the vital role food plays in morale. The Thanksgiving feast at sea features turkey, prime ribs, honey-glazed ham, and all the traditional sides. During its first deployment, the USS Ford celebrated Thanksgiving in the Mediterranean. Hundreds of cooks and volunteers collaborated to create a feast worthy of the world's most advanced aircraft carrier. Commanders and sailors served side by side, showcasing the unique bond of the military family. Shipboard birthday celebrations even include tablecloths, exquisite tableware, soft music, and special dishes like steak and lobster. These thoughtful touches meant the world to crew members far from home. During the 8-month initial deployment, the numbers tell an astonishing story. 3.1 million meals, served 48,000 dozen eggs, used 24,000 gallons of milk, consumed 131,000 perfectly grilled burgers, 367,000 pounds of chicken prepared in various ways, and 79,000 hand-baked cookies, the ship's most beloved treat. The USS Ford embodies the fusion of technological innovation and military tradition. Its integrated galley system demonstrates intelligent design surpasses bulky facilities. Automation enhances meal quality while reducing crew workload. Innovation matters because well-fed and rested personnel perform at their best. When pilots launch from the deck, technicians maintain million-dollar avionics, and commanders make critical decisions, the nutrition and mental clarity provided by quality meals are essential. The success of this system is driving logistics reform across the entire Navy. The refined culinary skills developed aboard the Ford will train a new generation of food service specialists. Young sailors will carry these experiences to other ships, becoming the backbone of logistics for decades to come. The Ford not only sustains today's service members, but also shapes tomorrow's Navy. The galley layout is ergonomically optimized, equipment placement follows workflow studies, and storage systems precisely control temperature and inventory turnover. Intelligently designed food lines eliminate the long queues common on older carriers. Multiple service windows ensure rapid supply and food freshness. Abundant power from the nuclear reactor drives high-powered mixers, industrial ovens, and massive refrigeration units, a prime example of American engineering ingenuity meeting military demands. Looking ahead, 10 Ford-class carriers will gradually replace the Nimitz fleet, each equipped with this revolutionary kitchen system. While foreign navies struggle with basic logistics, U.S. sailors enjoy restaurant-quality meals crafted with space-age technology. This advantage extends beyond nutrition. Satisfied personnel serve longer, perform better, and maintain unwavering resolve to defend America. The Ford's success proves that investment in service members ultimately pays dividends. Payoff. Peak hour daily food budgets reach $45,000 to $65,000. Raw material costs alone. A single protein meal requires 1,500 pounds of chicken. The salad bar serves 350 pounds of fresh greens daily. Coffee enthusiasts consume 20,000 cups of coffee and 160 gallons of milk per day. The Ford operates with 25% fewer personnel than older carriers.